about to take the 8th grade math Unit 6 quiz. If for any reason you need to pause, rewind, or fast forward, you may do so at any time. Number 1. Simplify each expression to be an exponential form. A. 23 to the power of A times 23 to the power of B. B. 5 cubed times 25. C. 11 to the power of X divided by 11 to the power of Y. D. 2 to the 13th power divided by 8. E. A squared times A to the 5th power. F. C to the 10th power divided by C to the 6th power. 2. Simplify each expression to be an exponential form. A. 9 cubed, parentheses, 6 to the 6th power. B. Parentheses, 113 squared times 37 times 51 to the 4th power, parentheses, cubed. C. Parentheses, x squared, y, z to the 4th power, parentheses, cubed. D. Parentheses, 2 times 3 times 7, parentheses, to the 4th power. E. Parentheses, b cubed, parentheses, squared. F. Parentheses, negative 2 to the 5th power, parentheses, to the 8th power. 3. Simplify each expression. A. Y to the 12th divided by y to the 12th. B. 4 to the 10th divided by 4 to the 10th times 7 to the 0. C. Parentheses 7, parentheses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, decimal 7, 8, 9, parentheses to the 4th, parentheses to 0 power. D. 7, 6, 5, 3 to the negative 4th power. E. F to the negative 4th. F. 1 over B to the negative 1st. 4. An equation is shown below. Write the value of n. What value of n makes the equation true? Show your work and explain your reasonings. 2 exponent n times 2 divided by 2 to the negative 5th equals 2 squared. 5. Scott said that 0.09 was a bigger number than 0.1. Use the powers of 10 to prove that Scott is incorrect. 6. Glaciers advance at the rate of about 0.000003 of a meter per second. Rewrite the approximate rate at which the glaciers advance in scientific notation. 7. Howard determined that the number 3.3 times 10 to the 4th should be written as 330,000 in standard form because the exponent in scientific notation determines the number of zeros in standard form. Is Howard's reasoning correct? Explain why these values are or are not equivalent. 8. The Atlantic Ocean contains approximately 2 times 10 to the 16th gallons of water. Lake Ontario has approximately 8 trillion gallons of water. How many Lake Ontarios would it fit to fill the Atlantic Ocean? 9. Sheldon's internet company Boast is that its wireless access points have the greatest range. The company claims that you can access the signal up to 2,640 feet from its device. Leonard's company has devices that extend up to 2.5 miles. Rewrite the range of each internet company's wireless access devices in feet using scientific notation, and then state which company has the greater range. Note that 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. 10. Two of the largest mammals on Earth are the blue whale and the elephant. An adult blue whale weighs about 1.7 times 10 to the 5th kilograms. An adult male elephant weighs about 9.07 times 10 to the 3rd kilograms. How many times heavier is the adult male blue whale than the adult male elephant? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. 11. The table below shows an approximation of the national debt at the beginning of each decade over the last century. Choose a unit that would make a discussion about the growth of debt easier. Name your unit and explain your choice. Year: 1900, 1910, 1920, 1930, 1940, 1950, 1960, 1970, 1980, 1990, 2000. Debt in dollars: 2.1 times 10 to the 9th, 2.7 times 10 to the 9th, 2.6 times 10 to the 10th, 1.6 times 10 to the 10th, 4.3 times 10 to the 10th, 2.6 times 10 to the 11th, 2.9 times 10 to the 11th, 3.7 times 10 to the 11th, 9.1 times 10 to the 11th, 3.2 times 10 to the 12th, 5.7 times 10 to the 12th.